you are not actually.
Good morning, everybody. It is currently Saturday, 10 past 10 in the morning. Sorry I'm late. Nah, I was doing washing, guys. How you doing? Hey, what's up, Kraylers and Omega? Appreciate you for being super early. Appreciate yous. Hey, what's up, brother Otto? Morena. Oh, good evening, I should say to you. I'm just gonna go and give me a hit. Hello, hello. Hey, what's up, brother Luke? Hello, hello. Alrighty. This head today, I'm wondering if I should just turn it around, eh? Oh, we should be good over here. Yep, so yesterday we finished the head down the other end, and now we're going to start working on this one. Right. How we doing, guys? Happy to be done with work. Ah, fair. A little more. Ooh. Yo, Mr. McFishy Live, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother, for 3 months. And just in time with the girthy 50 months. Thank you very, very much, brothers. Thank you. And good morning to you guys, too. Welcome on in. We're doing the second head now. We've progressed forward to this section of the carving, so we've got to focus on this head, and after that we'll go back to the body and do the one over for a clean, and we're in the design phase. Open up this what? What's up, SBZ? What's up, Hextick? Morning. Nothing like the usual police raid. Nah, nothing today. Oh shit, I forgot to change the message. That was just today. Some co-vibe still mentions, yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, that was the events of yesterday. So most likely today, guys, won't be a long stream. Might finish up around 2 hours because my kids are coming home today, and I've got to get food shopping and all that kind of stuff. But hope you're enjoying it. Hey, what's up, Mayu over on YouTube? Yeah, so it's still school holidays, and probably I would probably try and stream more on the earlier side of the morning, and then finish up and spend the rest of the day with my kids. Yeah, I'll probably just start doing like 2-hour streams. For this week coming. Just because they'll be home, that's all. Yeah, I would have been streaming like 3 hours ago, but decided to clean the house up a bit more, just so the family can come back to a clean house. Hey, watching the AB games later? I don't know. We'll see. I've gotta do adult things first. Hello from California. What's up, lady night? I started playing Once Human last night. Hi from Russia. Hello, brother. Always had fun watching you crafting and in action. Hey, cheers, brother. I didn't know yesterday what happened until I saw across YouTube. Oh man, it sucks. What's that 5K? Oh, what happened, SK? What happened, brother? Lost me. Da 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 dum 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 dum. Forgot I was on Twitch for a second. Oh, okay. You're good. I'm not gonna pry, brother. You're all good. Two triplets with the poet. I'm running up on a falling fire. I adore you. I adore you. What the police is? Oh, it was yesterday. Nah, I forgot to change the notification message. I was just being nosy yesterday. Yeah, I think someone was being naughty around our area of town, and I went for a watch. Wasn't me, guys. I'm a good boy. The only raiding I do is raid Shadow Legends. Nah, I lie, I don't even play that either. Oh, sorry. Hiding behind a tree while they do their thing. Now it's behind a curtain on the corner of the window. Yo, Janice, thank you for the 4 months. Thank you very much, sis. And also, Jay Moggies for the 2 months. Kia ora, my bro. And the AFL win. That's Aussie rules, right? The smile they follow. Literally every sport except basketball is Aussie rules according to the AFL themselves. Oh, baseball! Sorry, man. Have come up with the AFL, I'll be honest, bro, it's still a confusing as fuck game to me. They have a rugby ball, but then they want to dribble it, and then they're gonna pass it forward. And then they gotta kick it through some wish-looking Quidditch poles. My nephews, man, they love it. I was like, just watch rugby here. Nah, Aussie rules, uncle. Like, but yous are not even from Aussie. But in terms of baseball, I support the Cubs. Oh, we on a hype train. Sorry, I didn't even know. Cheers for the hype train, guys. At least they ain't using bats for defense. Did you know there's actually a Quidditch league too? I think it looks dumb as fuck, to be honest. I don't know, the thought of running around with a broom between your legs just doesn't, yeah, it doesn't do it any justice. Have you ever thought of joining an esports organization team? Person in woodcarves? Doesn't make any sense to me if I was to join an esports team. Yo, Endless, kia ora bro, morena J90. Yeah, me and an esports team doesn't make any sense. It's a bit of the mething kind of situation. Although, I did get approached by Team Liquid a couple years ago. But they pulled the ejectocito at the end, so I just didn't bother. Little bit of Brock's Law for you, chat. I feel blessed. Hey, what's up, brother? Kudo, what's up, my guy? How you doing today? I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Just I just been cleaning the house this morning, even though it's spotless already. Just washing and little things. And yeah, getting a bit of a cheeky stream before I head out and wait for my kids to get home. Two surprise can step forward. I adore you. Clip this if you like, chat, but if I was to join an esports org, no, if I was to join an org in general, I would probably want to join OTK if it ever became an option in the future. Out of like all the organizations out there, I'd probably want to join OTK. Still as cold as ever? Yes, my bro, it's still bloody cold. Cheers, Soler. Got the gas gonna be. 2 more blankets. Yeah, I slept with like 3 of them last night. Two steps walking, 1 step forward. I'm falling down, I'm falling for you. I'm just sitting up the mouth. Do you guys follow any esports orgs, guys? What's that, Nikki? This content is amazing. I appreciate you, man. Oh no, I lost my pencil. Already? Oh, bro. Oh, nah. I actually lost it again. Bro. I actually lost this pencil again. Oh no, I found it. Jokes, jokes, jokes. Whew. Right. I make losing pencils look oh so easy. Was low-key starting to have a bit of a heart attack, dude. How they disappear so fast sometimes. But the cost gonna be. There's time I'm for you. 2 steps forward, 1 step forward. I'm falling down more than I'm falling for you. Girl, I adore you. I adore you. A little more time. Do you play Apex, bro? Just a little bit here and there, not all the time. Just revisit the game now and again, but I re-downloaded Valorant. Oh no. Man, re-downloaded Valo. this mouth. Yo, Zipping Claw, thank you for the 19 months, my bro. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you very, very much for the 19 months support, brother. Just a personal care kind of thing. I woke up, visual, brush, razor, and picked out fragrance. Oh, nice, nice. Hoping to create an org at some point in the future and actually play for the org itself. Oh, nice, bro. What you trying to make? We are doing a Manaya. I'm just mapping out the mouth, making sure it's all even all the way around. A Manaya takes inspiration from the birds of our country. So that's where my ancestors got inspiration to create the Manaya, from the birds. Hold on, I just got a message. Alrighty. Let's sort this tooth out now. Yo, thanks Brother Otter. I got banned in so many chats because of it though. Well, what'd you get banned for? But wait, what? Bruh. Now hold on now. What should I have for lunch? I'm already thinking ahead, chat. Lunchtime. You will see this message, but thank you for being... No, I can see your message very clearly, brother. People are gonna look at you in 2020s and wonder what the fuck in the world was it. How long have you been covering for? I've tried my hand, but my masterpiece so far. Before I placed in a shelf. I've been doing this since I was 12, pretty much. Hey, cheers, brother Josh. I think at the end of the day, as long as people enjoy their stay here, it is very much good, I would say. And if people support me even more, it is very much appreciated too. I'm not to have some really thick skin. How's family and the kids? They're away at the moment, so I've been having some amazing sleep. But yeah, they'll be back today. Yeah, ancient, yeah, bro. Like even before I wanted to do Whakairo, my dream was to be a zookeeper. wanted to be a zookeeper back in the day, and then fate had other plans. Yeah, bro. Yo, Chad, every time I start stream, one of my neighbors, he's an old guy, he'll always just, every time I start stream or I start carving, even if I'm offline, he'll walk out the back of his door and just watch me like he thinks I can't see him. He can just watch me for a few seconds and then go back inside. Now you have me contemplating lunch. I'm feeling sushi today. No, I still haven't had a kebab since I wanted it like for a whole week. Yes, must get kebab. His mouth's a bit cleaner. Alright. Just gotta clean this tooth. I feel like there isn't really much to this head. Or this manaya. Which is good, like it's one of the more simpler versions. So all we really need to do is like make sure it's shaped nicely and clean it up. One of my teachers at calligraphy, and he can also do, oh really, that's cool. From my dad. Oh yeah. Can't believe I've caught it live finally. I'm not online much. Oh, all good, brother Josh. We're always here, brother. Yeah, so it's a relatively chill one today. Not gonna be on too long. 2 hours tops. So I want to get the house ready for my kids. Resin work. Oh, that's cool. Okay, where do I need to go? Go. 40-minute run time? Oh yeah, all good. Still productive, which is good. Got the washing out. Got my wife's work clothes cleaned. Fuck's sake. I was just getting into bed around 12 o'clock. And then she messages me, can you wash my clothes? I forgot to wash them. I was like, oh, you forgot to. She has work this afternoon. One of those ones, oh, I forgot to clean my work clothes. Oh, you forgot to clean them. Bro, every time, bro. So, by any means, more than enough. Alright. Thank you very much to those that have, to the brand new subs that have subbed to the channel as well. All 4 of you guys. So for some reason my daily sub goal only tracks like new subs. It must be a Twitch only thing. I don't know how to set up a Stream Elements one without fucking it up. Kia ora, CM Television Warrior. Kia ora, when did the first place you ever was? What did the first place you ever carved look like? A shed. Just a normal shed at school. Yeah, it wasn't high tech or anything, it was just a cold shed. Okay. Get it nice and even all the way around. All good, cat. Do your thing. Hello from Indonesia. Kia ora. Apex. All right. So instead of sandpapering, this is how we clean them. Yo, Juicy Pimple, thank you for the 36 months. Hey, thanks for the 3 years. Thank you, Juicy Pimple. And happy birthday. Happy sub day. Far out. Bro, I don't know why, but time has been flying by, bro. That has been flying by. Okay, there might be a bit of view there. Alright. How big is the biggest size of work you've ever done? Oh. Probably about 2 Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal's in length. Definitely. What would the width be? About 3.5 Shaquille O'Neals. I didn't know how to explain it, so I just used Shaquille O'Neal because he's big as fuck. About 2 Shaqs in length and 2.5 in width. Yes, the standard measurement on Shaq. Yeah, I didn't know how to explain it. I was like, who's big as fuck? I was like, Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal, round like a rim, got a hole in it. You just love the super hot drop. Oh yeah. You in queue again, bro. Yo, what's up, brother? Crazy? Crazy. Alright. Wait. Snooky, nice and clean? Yeah, yeah. But you know me, it's not clean enough. Not clean enough for me, so we clean it some more, my bro. Right, there we go. I want it to be as clean as possible, in the hopes that Jenny Aiko would look at this and eat it, because she eats the booty like groceries, okay? That's how clean I want it. That is the standard of cleaning I'm going for, in the hopes that Jenny Aiko would look at this carving and say, I'd eat that. The work you do, is this someone who has... Yeah, this is for a birthday. You gotta admit, that's still a good song in this day and age too. Sub Lumia. You missed the shack unit measurement. Yeah, so it's a joint birthday, hence the reason why this has two heads. And they get two individual carvings too. So this is my uncle's commission that he was doing. I'm happy to be doing this job, but yeah, it's one of those aroha jobs. What is the aroha job, if you may ask? It's when family, keep it on the word, family, ask you to carve them something for a birthday and they give you a thank you, or they give you some vegetables. Yes, there has been a time where my family paid me in pumpkins. And when they turned around, I wanted to throw those damn pumpkins at the back of their heads. I was in the mood to yeet so hard, bro. I reckon I could throw a good pumpkin pretty far too, with one hand. Yeah, I reckon I could do a good throw. Definitely. Okay, weebs in the chat, I need to ask you a question. Who has watched I Can Parry Anything? Is it worth? I only just started watching Solo Leveling and Shangri-La Frontier. I like the fat bunny leader. He's a pretty good singer when he's forging. That's probably my favorite part in Shangri-La Frontier. Oh, don't allow that term. Someone just sent the term in Russian and it got insta-blocked for bullying. I don't even know what it says. can't get into anime. I watched the Ippo boxing on the internet. They were cool. Oh yeah. I just finished Demon Slayer last night. Oh, yesterday. Or the day. I think it was the day before actually. Anyone been watching, is it the Euros? Now, don't get it twisted, I'm not really interested in it. But, I was watching... Who were we watching when we were getting pizza? It was a game between, I think it was Venezuela and Canada. Is it almost the finals soon? Bro, England earned the finals on Sunday. Who have got Spain in the finals on? So is it between Spain and England? What do you like on your pizza? Oh, depends, eh? I'm a bit of an apricot chicken guy. Yeah, I think I just woke up half of Europe with that question. Yeah, bro, we're gonna get pumped. Oh, really? Is Spain quite up there? Yeah, we were getting Sal's Pizza up in Auckland, me and my wife, and there were heaps of Venezuelans in the shop. Spain are gonna slap us, I reckon. Oh yeah. So is this like is the Euros like the Super Bowl of football? Sorry if I offend. I'm just asking you. Hey, what's up, mucker? What's up, my bro? But I'll be watching rugby instead. Yeah, I'll most likely be watching the rugby too. European teams only. Oh, okay. Oh, I see now. Yeah, it's all in the bloody name. Well, then how the hell did Canada get in there? Did they buy a bit of a WoW transfer? Or did they change servers? The Canada game you saw was a couple... Oh, okay, my bad. North and South America. Oh, okay. I see, my bad. Oh god. There's someone walking past and they are tweaking big time. Hello from Australia. What's up, coconut? Hey, morena McWesty. Holy, they are tweaking real bad. Gosh, it's only 11 AM and they're on a nose beers. Okay, they've walked past, so just keeping an eye on them, that's all. On the damn nose beers, chat. Only over the last, like, few, maybe a year and a bit, it's gotten really bad in our city. Like, there's a homeless syndicate here. There's like a homeless syndicate here that'll go around begging for money. But really it's just to get other stuff. Oh, I bet you see a lot of stuff there, bro. What's up, dank cheese? That's why I want to move out, man. Just so my kids aren't exposed to all this crap. Because I can't even walk my kids around our neighborhood because it's getting a bit silly. I've got to take them elsewhere just to, you know, be able to walk around. So when the day comes when we can get a house, man, we are getting one outside of the city. Yeah, the excuse they usually use is, oh, I've broken down somewhere. I was like, oh, you somewhere? Yeah, they usually say, dude, that I've broken down somewhere and I just need some $10 for gas money. I was like, $10 gas in this economy ain't getting you anywhere. It's getting clearer by the second. Used to be so good and chill, yeah, bro. It's gone to the fucking wolves now. Yeah. I need money for gas. $10 will do. It's like, hey, have you filled up your car in this economy yet? Like, I know even some of the like flats around the area, chat, because I think it was about 3 blocks away. There were these flats that these gang members were staying in, and I kid you not, man. Whenever me and my kids and my wife went to the mall for lunch, you'll just see like one after another, like homeless people like walking in, and then come to find out, police did a raid on them, and they had made the homeless work for them. I know this is something that you never thought would happen here. They made the homeless beg to get money for them every day, and they would drop them off, kind of like money orders. And one of the homeless opened up about it, and they ran her over. I was like, what the fuck? And now what people are doing, like landlords are doing, that own like blocks with flats on them, what they're doing now is installing cameras on all four corners of like the flat blocks. Like all the flats around here now have cameras on them, and bro, it's crazy. It's fucking crazy. It's absolutely nutty, man. It's all like, bro, this place is not safe for my kids anymore. Yeah, bro. Like this one, I think I was streaming one day, but I was inside, and one of these, there's this lady, she was walking up my driveway casual as, and she ended up coming into the backyard and sitting down, and I went full intimidation mode, and I went out and, you know, hit her up, said some colourful words, and she goes, oh, I thought this was my house. And I went, bullshit, I don't know who the fuck you are. Keep in mind I had a taiaha in my hand too, just for +1 intimidation. She's loopy as. Cheers from Dallas, Texas. Hey, what's up, brother Reeve? I remember we were in a call ages ago, and how is your garden going, bro? Oh, I think we need to start doing that again, Just jumping in Discord calls again and just talking a whole lot of nothing. I want to get into gardening again. This summer. Wait, they took a turd in your garden? I mean, I know you'd be pissed off about that, but I think your plants will be pretty happy. go crazy. Still not clean enough. There we go. If I finish a little bit earlier, whānau, it's because I think my neighbours might be setting up for a barbecue. Yeah, hard, my bro. What type of wood do you use? Normally, most of the time, I use native timber. This one in particular is called Rimu, R-I-M-U. It's okay. It's not like ideal, but this is what we're created out of it, so it's all good. Is that something you have over there? You have it, like there's a shop here called Kai Cafe. It's a Maori owned business and they sell hangis. Like where I used to work, they sell hangi too. So you can definitely like get it. I've got to do a IRL mukbang stream. I'm doing good, Dizzy. How are you? $10 for a plate. Oh, that's mean. There's that one hangi truck that goes around now and again, eh? They do the same kind of deal. I haven't seen them around recently. But always keep my eyes peeled. How's it looking from that end? All good. Right. Hold on. Do you feel like it's worth being nice all the time? Oh, I can be a cheeky bastard when I want to be, but I like to be nice and respectful most of the time. Whether it's worth or not, you know, it's who I am. I know people like to be, you know, assholes just to get views, but I'm good. I just like being cheeky. Maui was cheeky in mischief, and so am I. Yeah, there are just sometimes we're being nice, so yeah, like if someone's gonna be a dick, I'm not gonna be nice to them, I'm just gonna leave them there. Thank you very much, Juan CXV, for the raid. Kia ora, bro. You're a prick, you'll get the same back, yeah, pretty much. You come on that energy, you get it. What happened to your jacket? Sorry if you get that question. Got caught in the vice, pretty much. Reason why I still wear this jacket is because it's warm and I've had it since 1995. It's kind of the last thing I have of my grandfather's. But it's warm, so I don't mind. I just wear it when I'm doing this, really. I wouldn't wear it if I was, you know, I wouldn't wear a new jacket while doing this, if that makes sense. Yeah, this jacket has been through a bit with me, from hunting to having a deer carcass on my back to, yeah, just rain. I remember when I went hunting one time, I had forgotten I had like a big smear of blood over my shoulder from the deer we just shot, And I went into the gas station and everyone looked at me like, and the cashier or the one at the cash register goes, "Hey, do you know you got blood on your jacket?" "Oh, sorry, it's just my girlfriend." And then the lady went, "What?" I went, "Oh, she's in the back of the trailer," and they saw the deer head. And then she just looked at me and went, "For fuck's sake." I went, "Yeah, I put her on the plate by the end of the day." She's like, "Oh, fucking hunter's humor." So that jacket is almost as old as me. Yeah. So my grandfather gave it to me back then. I was like, because I could fit it. It's like, bro, that ain't fitting me. But I've had it ever since. My wife wants to get it fixed, but I'm like, nah, leave it as is. I don't want anything new on it. So it's kind of like the last thing I have of my grandfather. I wanted to get his hat, but my uncle claimed it and he ruined it. It was this hat he got from Texas, or when he went to America, and he met he was on his way to see the iwi over there, so the Native Americans, and he was gifted an eagle feather. But the eagle feather was buried with him. There you go. Greetings, your work is amazing. Greetings from Germany. Oh, kia ora, brother. Mr. May, thank you for the Optimus Prime. Getting a 6 out of 30 on the daily sub goal. Thanks to the brand new subs that have contributed to the daily sub goal. And thank you to those that have resubbed as well. Appreciate you. Whoop. What up? There we go. Much better. So been a pretty cozy stream today. Been a very, very cozy one today, I won't lie. Hey, cheer my cuz, how are you? Hope all is well with you in the whānau. Where in NZ are you from? I'm from a small town called Ruatahuna, and I'm also from Rotorua as well. Yeah, it's fucking cold, cuz. But you know, still gotta get outside and push life. How's the new life RP been? Last few weeks just slowing down now with the story. Oh, yeah. Nice, my cows. Hey, cheers for the 28 months, my cuz. Thank you. Yeah, just jump back into Diablo RP just to check it out and see how everyone's been. Seems like it's been good. So like over there at the moment, because they had a full like white bay. I think like law departments getting stacked again, and I think there's some crim groups here and there, but everyone seems to be like enjoying themselves. I've got my character back there too. I haven't really joined the law department yet. I've just been fucking around on my other characters. On my crim and my fuck around character Omar Sway. He's an old guy that goes around, just talks a whole lot of shit. RP is so deep, yeah. So in Red Dead RP, I had a law character, but they had a server wipe everything. So you kind of have to like reapply and all that. I just like playing law department in Red Dead because all the RP comes to you. It's pretty fun though. But my muck around character Omar Sway, he's just this old guy. Yeah, what the fuck are you talking about now? Well, now I'll fucking tell you that, boy, you gonna respect your goddamn elders, boy. And then there's my Crim character who usually chills in the swamps in this one of the main cities, and he's the self-proclaimed crocodile king, and he just punches crocodiles all day. Yo, thank you for the Optimus Prime for 4 months, Boro Bass. Boro Bass, eh? I'm gonna tell you, you gonna respect your fucking elders, there, boy. You gonna go show me that got that respect. I just gotta remember to like repeat some of my words sometimes. Hey, cheers, steady. What's up, brother? Welcome to the Chill Saturday stream. See, still not clean enough for my liking. I get real picky with cleanness. Gonna go make some breakfast for the fams. All good, cuz. Yeah, I think I need to go and give me some lunch soon. So another, yeah, this is the last commission for my uncle. This is the last song. Can I get a hell yeah? Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. So we'll do a bit more of this forehead over here. We'll keep doing that section. And then we'll think about packing down a little later. And I'll figure out what I'm going to have for lunch. And hopefully when my wife gets home this evening, we can start House of the Dragons together. Because she wants to watch Game of Thrones, but I said, no, we'll watch House of Dragons first. clean, bro. There you go. What are you carving, brother? It's called a manaya. That's what we are carving today. We're on the cleaning process now. And then after the cleaning's all said and done, when I'm happy with where it's at, that's when we start drawing up the design. That's when we got to start doing that. And I have not thought of what design I'm gonna do just yet. Not yet. I'm still wondering what I want to do design wise, and we'll go to from there. But for now, yeah, this is what we've done from mold to the current. It's been a pretty chill process, the whole thing, from like a block form to now, but it's nonetheless it's been pretty fun. I haven't done something this simple in a long time. Time to Uber kebab. I have to get in the truck and go and get mine. Gonna go to sleep. All good, brother. Have a good sleep, eh? Oh, yeah, I'm either gonna have a kebab or some sushi. And I need to do food shopping too. There we go. Oh goody, oh goody. Not yet. This has just come loose a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still undecided if what do you reckon, Chad? Kebab or sushi? Either way, they're yum. We have kebabs in England at night after a few. Not during the day. Oh, true. I normally get a mixed kebab, with all the greenery in between, yogurt, garlic, hummus, and honey mustard. Are normally the sauces I go with majority of the time. Yeah, I think I'll get a kebab today. I haven't had what did I have last night for dinner? Chicken breast for dinner. Yeah, I think I have there. What's up? Is it Crazes? Kia ora, bro. Purari poko tifa e. Oh, jeez. Oh, crisis. Oh, okay. They're not even open till 8 p.m. True. Yeah. Getting
I remember how I started out. I'm talking way
people
back
they
when I was
usually half
sleeping on
cut
the
or
sofa inside the studio
spend
flat.
anything
I had
for
nothing to
kebab.
my name. My bank account was 5 stacks. I bought a bike that cost me half and I was down to 2 racks. I could barely buy food. I had no job to make it back. I see some gangsters in an alley looking like they're hiding straps. raps. I carried on riding past when they left, I went back. Found a Uzi or a Mac, my memory ain't exact. Riding round the south side, I had a gun put to my face. Pepper wearing motherfucker, had a voice with loads of bass. Said mine bro, I'm stepping and told me all about the place. Man said his name was Mando, that's my boy up till this day. Back outside apartments, people looking like who is this? Never mind me, just a brother looking for some business. Heard a British accent, went studio busting lyrics. I think that was the first time I met Cap and Wicked.
We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top. I know that you can't see me, nothing's gonna make me stop. We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top.
How we doing, guys? How's it going?
I was rolling around with Zelda, little homie had my back. We were stealing local cars and then exchanging them for mats. I got introduced to Flippy and Vinny, man, I was gassed. I was paying off my loans, I was making loads of cash. Batar, Moses and Dean, man, them days were the best. Wicked got me signed to Wu-Chang and then he fucking left. But I stayed to make a difference, I ain't got any regrets. Made a meal from making tracks, money printer in the flesh. Mario picked me up and told me all about the meth. Had me cooking in the lab, doing read runs and all the rest. Built a hustle with Batar, started exchanging connects. Bro, we had some mini pillows, could've started selling beds. Nearly got caught in the lab, that shit was such a mess. Then we had to buy tables, and that shit had no effect. That dream got put to bed, like fuck it, what's next? I could go on, but I need another song to say the rest.
We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top. I know that you can't see me, nothing's gonna make me stop.
What's the song called? It is called Can't Stop by P Money. I'll just send the link. So P Money makes a lot of music for No Pixel, the GTA server I play on. And he was here for some shows, and I wanted to go, but obviously I can't because got other things to do.
Cops had to retreat, bro. My phone.
Control V, right? Yeah, that's the song there.
Yo.
Brooks, how you doing? Good, man. It's just a short little stream today. I know about the server. Yeah. So that's the server I role play on.
Nah, Mario, man. Bro, just let me do my stream.
Whatever, man. You wanna get club, huh?
So it's just a bit of a short one today. Not a your typical 3 hour. But we got a lot of stuff done today. Anyway.
Tell that bitch that I'm changa. Tell that bitch that I'm changa.
True, yeah, it does sound like that song, yeah. Like similar kind of feel. Yeah, I've been in No Pixel for about 2 years.
You know gangs got whips on whip, G-Wagon or Vinny's black 6x6. If I'm in the booth and the feds wanna pit,
I'll probably log on for a little bit today. Some moonshine. I need a stream more No Pixel though, but probably on my other channel.
Mario as well, let's go. Randy and Rami got the cops on the road. Say TCG and they respond like a vote. President P, I'm a Rocco Blemo. Gang had your boy feeling like his El Chapo. Feds saw me and tried to empty the ammo. Man down when they saw Chaba and Taco. Tell that bitch that I'm Changang. Tell that bitch that I'm Changang. Tell that bitch that I'm Changang.
Kebab.
Tell that bitch that I'm Changang.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a kebab today.
Chain on my neck says CG.
I'll try to go live on it tonight. I've been playing that once.
Chain on my neck says
That
CG.
once human game too.
You're falling for autumn. Touch your chain, you'll be dead by the morning.
Pretty solid game, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. You stream it. I used to stream it heaps ages ago, but I strictly stick to wood carving and IRL streaming on this channel. I'll probably stream it on my other channel. Yeah, if I have enough time tonight, I'll do it live. But my character's kind of in a money-making state now to get his bloody gun license and start helping out the game. Oh shit! Woo. I think I got it.
The label's ours. CG buying up buildings and towers.
Once you're in a strange, yeah, it's weird. You fight this bus demon. It's like it's like real. What's that program with their girl 11? It's kind of like that. Yeah, it's kind of got a girl like that on there. Well, that's the kind of vibe, the weird vibe it's got. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah.
Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa.
But yeah, I'm so like, what do I even play at the moment? Like, I've been RP, I enjoy RP, but at the same time, I want to play something new instead of the same thing all the time.
Oh shit, it's looking mean. Block popping, locals, homies, everybody's rocking green. Low riders,
Yeah, this might be the last song of the day. I'm starting to think about Cabe's more and getting hungry. Yeah, I won't rate anyone today. I'm just gonna. It was more of a chill day today anyway. So I think for tonight, hello. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up here. Thank you very much to those that resub today and to the brand new subs. Much appreciated for hitting the sub goal too. For now, I will see you later. Will I stream tomorrow? I'm not sure. I'll keep you updated though. Just with my kids home, I don't want to be doing this too much because, you know, I'm taking my attention away from them when we should be with them the whole time. So for now, I'm going to love and leave you. Goodbye. Have a good Friday, Saturday. See you later. Have a good one. Cheers.
Cross the water till you see them boys in blue. I ain't talking back.